What's up, everybody? You know it's your audio. Back in another video, guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright, guys, it has been a while. I think it's 2 weeks now since I've uploaded a video on YouTube, guys. As I told you guys before, I do other work off YouTube. I do personal work off YouTube, guys. So therefore, when I get the chance to make a video, I will make a video. And I have um, some things to address now. The Play Store. For those people who want to install Play Store, right now Play Store website is having some issues downloading the file. Some people say that the file is corrupt, the file is not, it is not unpackaging properly or something like that. No, it's not my end, guys. I don't create the software. I don't create the software, guys. The software was uploaded on the internet, on the Play Store, or whatever you can download it from. I'm still waiting and to see if they fix it. If they fix it, I will get the chance to upload it and see if it works. Okay, guys. It used to work, but now it has stopped. Okay, and for some other people, I am trying my best to get quality content for you guys. I just don't want to make something and just put it up on the internet and stuff. I want to get you guys stuff that I know you guys will want to watch and all these things. Now, as you guys can see in the title, there is a new update pertaining to open browser. Okay, pertaining to open browser. Now, this is for the people who has open browser. Okay, and there is an update on it. The update it's been there for a while, but as I told you guys, just get into it, and I want you guys to get it, just in case if your open browser not working properly. You can do this step and to fix it. Okay, guys, so bear with me, guys. This is just an update video on open browser. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to get it, where to get it, and also download it. If you're brand new and you want to download open browser, this is the video of showing you how to download it, update it, install it, and everything. Okay, now first thing first, guys. I want you guys to go to Play Store. Now, Play Store, I want you guys to go to Play Store, and I'm gonna wait for this thing to load up. I'm gonna click on the search bar right here, and I'm just gonna type in open. I just type in open and you will see it right here. Okay, but first, I want to just in for the people who don't got Play Store. Okay, just for the people who don't got Play Store, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna click on Aptobi or App Store. If you don't got Aptobi and you got App Store, it's the same stuff that's in the two of them. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on Aptobi. As you guys can see on the top of the screen, it's Aptobi, and I'm gonna see if Aptobi got it. I'm gonna see if they have it. I don't think they have it. I don't think they have it. I don't think they have it, because it will have popped up. So you only can get it from Play Store. Okay, I think you can get it from the browser too by APK. I think you can do it that. If you want to see a video of getting it without Play Store, I will do a video with the browser that comes into TV and see if do a video on that. Or if you have any message, or if you have any requests, you can leave it down in the comment section. Yeah. So now let's done with all the talking and let's get into the video. Now we're gonna click on Play Store right here. Okay, and as you guys can see, I just type in oh, and I'm using a mouse. This mouse is doing me bad, man. This mouse is doing me bad. Alright, let's go on the mouse right here. Alright, now this is not it. Oh my days. I'm gonna have to take out this mouse. I'm gonna have to take out the mouse. The mouse is making my it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, and the light in the mouse is gone. So you know the mouse is going. Sorry for that. Anyway, let's go over here. We're just gonna type in open, and there it is, open browser. Now you can click on it. Okay, you can click on it, and I want you guys, before you install anything on your TV, computer, phone, always read the full description just to see if there's anything there new. Okay, if anything there is new. So as you guys can see, they got a lot of stuff here, and I don't see. So also the version down here is 2.2.1.895, and this is August. So this is last month. So I'll just get into this video, guys. So as I told you guys, I was very busy doing other stuff, preparing my life off YouTube. Okay, now you have read the description. Come where you see right here, it says update. Now if you want to uninstall it, you can uninstall it from here, and you uninstall it totally off your TV. Okay, but the purpose of this video is to update it. So we're gonna click on update. We're gonna click on update, and we're gonna wait for this thing to update right now. So now it's updating, and that's very quick. Okay, that's nice. Now it don't says update anymore. Now it says open, but we're not gonna open it. Okay, we're not gonna open it right now. We're just gonna come off. Now, as you guys could remember, we did have open browser right here, but now it's not there. You don't have to worry. It's because the update it took it off. Sorry, it took it off. Now I want you guys to come across on your remote, and you will see a plus sign right here. If you don't see that plus sign, remove any one of these apps that you're currently not using, like for instance this Netflix right here. We're going to click on remote, and then we're going to click OK, and it remove it from there. Okay, and now you see the plus sign. Now click on the plus sign, and it will take you right here. Now what I want you guys to do now is to search for open browser, and here it is. This is open browser. We're just gonna click it, and there it is. It add right there. Still have the plus sign because I still have more space. Now when you click on open browser, and first my open browser was not opening properly. As you guys can see, it's open right now. I don't know if because it needs to update or something, but my open browser never was running like this. Okay, my open browser never was running like this. It was a bit laggy. Okay, so there it is. This is how you install the update on open browser. Okay, and for you guys out there who watch my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell, guys, to get notified whenever I post a video. As I told you guys, I will soon, I'm not gonna make a date yet, but I will soon be giving away phone cards, and I will be giving away digital phone cards and flow phone cards. Okay, just keep watching the video. I will try it out just the same, just to see if someone really gets it, and if someone gets it as quick as possible, I will start doing like 500 credit, 1000 credit, and so on. Okay guys, so this is how you install open browser or update open browser. So guys, I'm just gonna come off, and then I'm gonna click this button right here to get off. So this is how you do it, guys. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. Guys, please hit the thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I hope to see you in the next video.